Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وَإِن كُنتُم مَّرْضَىٰ أَوْ عَلَىٰ سَفَرٍ أَوْ جَاءَ أَحَدٌ مِّنكُم مِّنَ الْغَائِطِ أَوْ لَامَسْتُمُ النِّسَاءَ فَلَمْ تَجِدُوا مَاءً فتيمموا صعيدا طيبا فامسحوا بوجوهكم وأيديكم منه ما يريد الله ليجعل عليكم من حرج ولكن يريد ليطهركم وليتم نعمته عليكم لعلكم تشكرون. Translation: But if you are ill or on a journey, or anyone of you have come from the toilet, or if you had contact with women and you do not find water, then go to make tayammum, taking pure clean dust from high ground, and wipe it over your face and hands. Allah do not wish to make any difficulty for you, but He intends to purify you and would complete His favor to you so that you may be grateful. Meaning that if somebody is sick and cannot use water, or the person is in travel and does not have water enough to make wudu, or if somebody has come after using the restroom and needs wudu, or if he has gone to his or her spouse and needs the ghusl or the bath, but there is no water, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the permission that he may do the tayammum instead of the wuzu or ghusl. The worldly meaning of tayammum means intention. So the scholars have said that when somebody is doing tayammum, making intention for tayammum is necessary. The Shariat-e Muhammadi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is extremely easy, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made things easy for the believers. And if we ponder on this ayah, we will see that how many exceptions Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has allowed if somebody is sick, or somebody is traveling, or somebody has used the restroom, or has had encounter with their spouse. They are allowed to do the tayammum if water is unavailable, or use of water may cause increase in the sickness. Furthermore, the tayammum is made easier than wudu. That in wudu there were 4 things mentioned that were further. Out of those 4, only 2 are needed in tayammum, meaning only wiping the face with clean dust and hands is enough to do tayammum. No masa or wiping of the head, or no wiping of the feet, or doing masa of the feet is necessary. Since Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pure, He likes purity, and a believer may attain purity of his body by doing tayammum and wuzu and ghusl as explained. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has allowed so many things halal for the believers, including eating and drinking things, and also meeting up with the spouses. And the slave of Allah wanted to thank him, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given even more bounties in the form of tayammum, that Allah made easy for the believers to get pure before standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the slave of Allah will even be more thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that is the reason that in the next ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so the slaves of Allah can be more thankful. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and write us among your thankful slaves. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.